Nature and Scope of Marketing by Professor Naushad Sheikh. Marketing is understanding the market and meeting the needs of customers. Marketing involves identifying target audiences, analyzing their requirements, creating products or services that fulfill those needs. Marketing is about creating exchanges values. This involves transactions from both the buyer and seller. It's not just about selling products but creating a value proposition that satisfies both parties. Understanding the business environment, consumer behavior, and update technology are constantly evolving. Marketing include market research, product development, old product to updated product, pricing, distribution, promotion. All these elements work together to create a successful marketing strategy. The primary goal of marketing is to generate revenue and profits for the business. However, it also aims to build brand awareness, customer loyalty, and long-term relationships. Like, share, and subscribe.